Good morning, students, and this is Harsnath Sukla. And today shall discuss exercise 1.1 from relation function. This is class 12th chapter. So, see the first question: determine whether each of the following relation are reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. So, anyone you can see. Suppose a relation R in the set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, dot dot 13, 14 defined as Rxy such that 3x minus y is equal to 0. So in relation you see 3x minus y is equal to 0, that means y is equal to 3x. Y is equal to 3x. So if we see the relation is y is equal to 3x, so if we can take x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 3, x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 6, x is equal to 3, then y is equal to 9. If x is equal to 4, then y is equal to 12, and if x is equal to 5, then y is equal to 15. But we cannot take this y because set is only A, where the relation is defined. This is only 14 element. So these are the ordered pair which satisfy the relation. So if we want, we can write it as relation R such that 1 3 2 6 3 9 and 4 12. So you can see this is the relation. So now we can check this is symmetric, reflexive, or transitive. So clearly you see this relation is not a reflexive relation. Why? Because for the reflexivity we need 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4, all belongs to this particular set. Now for symmetric, see any element, so there is no element in R such that A's are related to B, must be B's are related to A. So this is not symmetric also. And third one condition, if we see 1 3, then no other element which is related from 3. So 1 3 3 9, but 1 9 is not there. If we see 1 3 is there, 3 9 is there, but 1 3 3 9, but 1 9 does not belongs to R. 1 9 does not belongs to R, that means this is not transitive. Similarly, we can see another example. See next one. If R is equal to xy such that y is equal to x plus 5 and x is less than 4, x must be less than 4, and the relation R defined on the natural number. So obviously R has if x is equal to 1, y is equal to 6, so 1 6, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 7 2 7, x is equal to 3, y is equal to what? Y is equal to 8, so 3 8. So in this relation also you see this is neither reflexive nor symmetric, and nor transitive. So you can see next questions by the in the same manner you can solve it. Okay, now we can see next one. You can do yourself, but we are just trying to solve some important question which is for board also. So see example number, question number 9. In this question, so that each of the relation R in the set A is equals to x belongs to Z such that 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 12, given by first question R is equal to AB such that A minus B is a multiple of 4, and R is equal to AB such that A is equal to B. So we can see this is symmetric, reflexive and transitive, so that the each of relation this is an equivalence relation. Find the set of all elements related to 1 in each case. So related to 1 in each case, yes, very good. That means the equivalence class of 1. We need to find equivalence class of 1. So first question, AB such that A minus B is a multiple of 4. So what are the relation elements are there? Otherwise you can see directly, if A is R related to A, that means any of one element of the set A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever you can consider. So 1 must be related to 1, because 1 minus 1, 0. 0 is already multiple of 4. Similarly, if A minus B is multiple of 4, then B minus A is also multiple of 4. Mod of B minus A is also a multiple of 4. That's why this is symmetric. Similarly, if A is R related to B, B is R related to C, then A minus B is multiple of 4, B minus C is multiple of 4. Then A minus B and plus B minus C. So mod of A minus C is multiple of 4. So this is a transitive also. So the given relation, first R is equal to AP, mod of A minus B is multiple of 4, is an equivalence relation. Now you need to find the elements related to 1. So x is equal to 1, then this is the main thing, elements related to 1. That means if we find a set, this is the equivalence class 1. That means in this set all those elements which are related to 1. So if we take A is equal to 1, then what is the value of B such that A minus B satisfy the given relation? So if we take A as a 1, then B must be 1, then 1 minus 1, this is 0 and this is multiple of 4. So this is the 1. 1 is the 1 related to 1 such that 1 minus 1, 0 is the multiple of 4. Similarly, next one, 2, no, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, mod of minus 1, 1, this is not a multiple of 4. 2, 3, 3 is also not multiple of 4. 4, 1 minus 4, minus 3, 1 minus 5. So element is there, 5. If we see 1 minus 5, this is 4 and this is multiple of 4. So 1, 5. Next one, 6 no, 7 no, 8 no, 9. Yes, 1 minus 9, this is 8, this is multiple of 4. So 1, 5, 9, dot, dot, and so on. This is the equivalence class of 1 also, and element, all the elements which are related to 1. 1, 5, 9, dot, 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 so on. These are the elements which are related to the 1 for the set. Now next one, R is equal to AB such that A is equal to B. So similarly, AB is equal to B means what? If we take A is equal to A. That means A's are related to A. That means A is equal to A. So this is reflexive. A is equal to B, then B must be equal to A. That means if A is equal to B, B is equal to A. A is equal to B means A's are related to B. B is equal to A means B's are related to A. So this is symmetric also. And last one, transitivity. Suppose we consider three elements A, B, C belongs to A such that A is equal to B, B is equal to C. Then obviously you know A is equal to C. So A is equal to B means A's are related to B. B is equal to C means B's are related to C. A is equal to B, B is equal to C. This implies A is equal to C. And this means A's are related to C. And that's why the given particular relation is transitive also. Okay. So next one, we see all those elements which are related to 1. So this means 1 is equal to 1. 1 is equal to 1. Yes, it is possible. So the equivalence class of 1 for the second question is 1. Yes, 2 is equal 1 is equal to 2. It is not possible. 1 is equal to 3, 1 is equal to 4. These all are not possible. So there is only one element. So for today this is over, and tomorrow we shall discuss some more questions. And thank you for today, and try to solve yourself also, because it is not possible to solve all the questions in this manner. We have board and other things, so we may try, but we must try to solve. I have to solve only selected questions. Okay, thank you.